Hello students, welcome to the maths class of Navdeep Agrawal. Today I am going to explain exercise 10th C. In this exercise you are going to study sum of n terms of an AP. You see here it is written for an AP when A, N and L are known, then sum S will be n by 2 into A plus L. First of all, what is the meaning of sum of n terms? N terms means suppose one AP is given to you and in the question it is asked you have to find the sum of first 20 terms or the sum of first 50 terms or the sum of first 17 terms. Like this question will be asked in the question, then how can you find the sum of that number of terms asked? So for that, two formulae you are having. First one is if A, N and L are given. A, N and L. A means first term, N means number of terms, L means the last term. If they are given, then you can apply the formula S equals N by 2 into A plus L. By applying this formula, sum of the required number of terms you can find. Required number of terms means how many terms, for how many terms they are asking the sum. Second formula is also given if A, N and D are known. A means first term is known, N means number of terms. Number of terms means for how many terms you are going to find the sum if you are having this thing. And D means common difference. If you are having these three things, then you can apply the formula S equals N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So by applying these two formulae, you can find the sum of the required number of terms. Now only this concept is there for this exercise, means one concept you are going to study. So with the help of this concept, you will be able to solve all the questions of exercise 10th C. And you see some examples I am taking. Very easy topic, very easy concept it is. 14 example. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the AP. First of all, you have to find the sum of first 20 terms. So it means that value of n is 20. Here you can see value of n is 20. Now AP is given. In AP first term you are having 5, you can see, and common difference you can easily find D equals 8 minus 5 3. So A you are having, D you are having, N you are having. So you can apply this second form of formula. If A, D and N you are having, then you can apply the formula S equals N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So they are applying in the example, you can see. Now N is 20 because you have to find the sum of first 20 terms. A is 5, it is given in AP, and D you have found 3. So you can put the values in the formula and then simplify 10 into 10 plus 19 multiplied by 3. So 10 plus 19 multiplied by 3, it will come 67. 67 multiplied by 10, 670. So 670 is the sum of first 20 terms of the given AP. So like this, it is very easy concept, easy method to solve, easy method to find the sum. So next example also you can see 15. Find the sum of first 10 terms. It is exactly same question as 14 example. AP is given. With the help of AP, you can find A. A is 8 first term, it is given. D you can find the difference of any two terms you can take. You can take the difference. So difference of first two terms they are taking 4 minus 8 equals minus 4. N means first 10 terms, sum of first 10 terms you have to find. So n equals 10. So apply the formula, and with the help of the formula you are finding sum minus 100, as in previous example I told you. Now example number 16 you can see. In this example, Find the sum of first 40 terms of an AP whose fourth term is 8 and sixth term is 14. This time first for sum of first 40 terms you have to find, means n you are having 40, n for which you have to find the sum. Here n doesn't mean total number of terms, first 40 terms. So for that you are taking n 40. Second thing, AP is not given. In place of AP, fourth term of AP is given and sixth term of AP is given. So fourth term, you know, in previous videos I told you, fourth term a plus 3d equals 8, sixth term a plus 5d equals 14. When you solve these two equations, you will get d equals 3, a equals -1. After finding the values of a and d, easily you can apply the formula now, s equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because to find the sum you need value of n already given 40, they are putting value of a you have found -1, and value of d also you have found 3. Now you put the value, and after putting the value you can see, after simplification, 20 into -2 plus 117, 20 into 115, answer is coming 2300, 2300. It is the required sum. So in this example you saw that, you have seen that in previous example AP was given, and in this example AP was not given, terms was given. For AP, two terms were given, fourth term and sixth term. With the help of that also we can find the sum of required terms. Next, 17, for the AP 10, 15, 20, and last term, this time it is given, pay attention students, last term is given 195. Find the number of terms in the above AP and sum of all its terms. So first of all, number of terms, last term L equals a plus n minus 1 into d. You know very well, in last videos I told you L equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Last term is 195, a is 10, it is given first term 10, and d you can find 15 minus 10, 5, common difference here you can see. So with the help of this, value of n you can find, value of n is 38. So here total number of terms in this AP is 38, and you have to find sum of all the terms. Now this is not the condition sum of first 10 terms, sum of first 20 terms. This is not the condition. It is the condition how many terms are there. For so many terms you have to find the sum. So here you can see sum of all terms 38, so value of n is 38, a is given 10, d is 5, you have found, so sum is coming 3895, 3895. So like this easily you can find the sum of n terms or sum of the required number of terms. So here we applied first form of formula, s equals n by 2 into a plus l, when last term is given. So they are not applying here that form. Here you can see alternative method, here they are applying n by 2, n is 38, a is 10 and l is 195. Then also answer will be same, 3895. So with the help of any method you can do, by applying that n by 2 into a plus l, or by applying n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It depends, if last term is given then you can apply this formula, a n by 2 into a plus l. Otherwise in every case you apply this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next example you can see, find the sum of first 16 terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by Tn equals 5n minus 3, where n is a natural number. Now you can see sum of first 16 terms you have to find. It means that value of n 16 you are having, means in the formula by which you will find the sum, value of n you have to put 16. Now nth term is given, with the help of nth term AP you can find. You can put here, you can see first term, how can you find? You put the value of n as 1. So T1 equals 5 into 1 minus 3 equals 2. T2 equals 5 into 2 minus 3 equals 7. T3 equals 5 into 3 minus 3 equals 12. So like this you can find. So AP is coming 2, 7, 12, 17 and so on. Now with the help of AP, it has converted in previous examples as I told you. AP, with the help of AP, first term is 2 and n is given already 16 and D is 7 minus 2 5. Now you can see in the formula you are putting these values or not. 16 value of n, in place of a 2, here 2, and in place of D 5 and 16 minus 1. Answer is coming 632. So with the help of this formula you can find the answer. And next example is coming. How many terms of AP are taken so that sum is 252? This time value of S is given 252. Value of S is given, and S means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now you can see with the help of AP, value A is 43, D you can find 39 minus 43 minus 4. Now you can apply this formula. You can see here in place of S 252, and we don't have, because how many terms we have to find, this number of terms we have to find, a value of n we have to find. Put the value of S, value of A 43, value of D minus 4. Simplify it, you will get 252 multiplied by 2 equals n into 86 minus 4n plus 4. More simplification, 504 equals 90n minus 4n square. Now it has become one quadratic equation. 2n square minus 45n plus 2 for 52 equals 0. Now factorize it with the help of factorization method. N minus 12 to n minus 12 into 2n minus 21 equals 0, n equals 12, and one more value, n equals 21 upon 2. But n should be an exact number. Exact number means it is coming 10.5. 21 upon 2 means 10.5. So n should be 10 or 11, not 10.5. So this value of n you reject. So n is 12. So required number of terms 12. So there are 12 terms for which the sum of the given AP is 252. So like this you can find the answer. It is also same. So you can do yourself this example. How many terms of AP must be taken so that sum is 300? Here also value of n is given. AP is also given 29, 19 whole, 1 upon 3, 18 whole, 2 upon 3 and so on. So A is 20 and D you can find 19 whole, 1 upon 3 minus 20 minus 2 upon 3. Value of sum means S is 300. You can put the value here and answer is coming here 25 and 36. So here any number you can take, means if you take 25 terms then sum will be 300. If you take 36 terms then sum will be 300. Why it is so? You can see the AP. In AP terms are decreasing. 20, 19 whole 1 upon 3, 18 whole 2 upon 3. It means that after writing some terms, after getting 0, after 0 some negative terms will come. So negative positive terms, some negative positive terms will cancel and sum will be 300 if you are taking 36 terms. And if you are taking 25 terms then also sum will be 300. So like this students, you can solve all the questions of exercise 10C. This is given 10C exercise. Easily you can solve. First of all, before starting the questions, you need to understand, you listen carefully this video. So first of all, you try to understand this video carefully, and after that you solve all the questions. If you have any doubt then you can ask in comments. I will clear your doubts. Thank you and have a good day.